of social distancing is going on there. They never used to have those things. Good morning. I haven't done a vlog in forever, so I thought I would update you. See, this is the kind of content now that I would put on OnlyFans, because obviously I'm naked, which I don't have a problem with, but you know, it's illegal. So first thing I'm doing is brushing. You're really getting to see this vlog right from the beginning. I'm dry brushing my body with this thing from LMEs that I've had for years. I love this, it's so good. It just makes you feel awake. Awakeness starts from the skin. So I'll take you with me today. It's not gonna be super exciting probably, because I'm just in lockdown in Ibiza and I don't have a car, so I can't go anywhere, but I might go for a walk, who knows. Past 3 weeks have been really intense actually, because I signed up to this intensive French course, which I don't think I'm going to continue, because I think I want to go on to the 2 or 3 times a week. Basically every day it's just too much, because I need to work at the same time. A lot of people there have stopped working or aren't working at the moment, so they can't do the intensive, but I really need to advance quicker in the music that I'm doing. I'm producing an album, a new album, all about... I'm kind of trying to make it a cheerful isolation theme. I mean, I'm not trying to, it's just my situation right now, and I want to write all fresh new music, so that's why. I've just been stretching. This is my roof terrace. I don't know if I've shown you. Today's kind of windy, but it's still pretty hot. So I come here in the mornings, I bring my tea, I do some breathing, pranayama exercises, of which I want to do more on my channel. And also I want to do some lives on Zoom, so if you're interested, let me know. Maybe we should get a little group together, and then I could do that by donation, and it would be really fun. So just like a live session. Maybe I could do it in the evening so that everybody in the US can join me as well, and we could be a little community. These are my rose bushes, even though you won't be able to tell they're roses, although if you look closely at the leaves you can. They had flowers when they arrived. I think at the beginning they didn't like the weather very much, because it was really hot when they arrived. It was just like stale hot, you know, there was no breeze. But now they're better and I've been watering them. And I think after this I have to go to the shops to get, you know, just boring cleaning things. I've been cleaning this morning. And then we shall see what we do. I think I have a session with my guitarist. I've just been doing my illuminating makeup of the moment. What do you think? I drew my brows for the first time in forever. Because, you know, I usually tint them. But of course, I'm not in London. I haven't been there in 3 months. My brows are their natural color and they're quite bleached too. So I have to draw them if I want to have any brows. I don't know if I mentioned, tomorrow is my birthday, so I've been sending Zoom invites. I'm going to do a Zoom conference for my birthday. This is what I'm wearing. It's so frustrating because I don't really have my clothes here. I have a few things, but mostly, you know, a bunch of shorts, my linen shirts. It's all kind of basic clothing, and it's not like I have anywhere to go, but at least it would be entertaining for me to be able to dress myself and show you and take photos. So I have my gloves on. I like the blue gloves the best. And of course, inside here, I have basically only hand sanitizer. That's what I carry. And my phone, I will carry in there. And then I have some more hand sanitizer on here for when I come into the house, I use it, or if I get packages or anything. This is like the package area where everything gets to rest for a couple hours. So let's go to the shops. I'm making a soup for later. It's gonna be more of a cream. I basically put a bunch of vegetables. It smells really nice. I put in carrots, zucchini, lots of garlic, pepper, because I have some red peppers that just need to be used. What else did I put in there? And onions. the little white onions, tender onions, I think they're called, with a lot of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to eat something in the meantime though, because I'm starving. Just been outside on the terrace. Oh my god, it's so hot. I was talking to my friend from Chicago, but now I'm gonna do some work on the computer sur l'ordinateur, and I need to send a couple of letters, emails and things like that. Voila, my Sunday. Hey, I've been composing for the longest time, and now I'm going to do my Sunday service yoga with Marcus Veda, which I love. It's one of the highlights of my week. It's really fun, you'll see. I don't know if I can show you. I'm training with videos. I'm doing my classes on Zoom. It's been really good. This is how it happens. And we should be able to hear sound, but maybe this is not connected, is it? Oh, that's what's happened. I turn it off. Just waiting. Yeah, there we go. So I'm joining with audio. See, so we have all this music going. All of the professional yogis. This is quite an advanced class, so it's really fun because everybody's really serious about it. Some people are in teams. I just finished my yoga. Wow, what an amazing. It's 2 hours. It's like a mini retreat. And at the end we do pranayama and everything. So it's a really super hard class. And then he relaxes you to submission, basically. First he destroys you to exhaustion. And now I was just thinking, I'm gonna take some pictures outside because there's a really nice light. So to explain the OnlyFans thing, I basically am putting there photos that are maybe inappropriate for Instagram or anything, or you know, not safe for work. But I'm not treating it as a new thing. It's not, I'm not adding work to my schedule. It's kind of like I do that anyway because it's just something that I do. So rather than having the pictures sit on my phone or send those pictures to maybe my friends, I'm putting them on OnlyFans. So it's just a more kind of private, intimate way of seeing material. And also there's nudity, so some people are really into that. I'm really into that, which is why I do it. Basically, I do what I like to see. My mom loves them.